If you are a YouTube creator who is editing your videos with Adobe Premiere Pro, this is Kelsey. She has some pro tips for you to how to speed up your workflow and make better videos. Hey guys, my name is Tim Schmoyer and welcome to Video Creators. This channel is all about helping you grow your YouTube audience so you can spread a message that reaches people and impacts their lives. And in order to do that, you need to edit your videos and upload them in the first place. So this is Kelsey from the Premiere Gal channel. Can you tell us real quick about your channel?
Sure.
And then let's get into your tips.
My channel is all about creating video editing tutorials and production tips to help you create better videos. So you can create stuff faster, you can learn cool effects, you can also request things if you have something specifically that you're struggling with. I do a lot of troubleshooting with the Adobe team. I'm actually an Adobe community professional and I'm on like pre-release programs, so I'm very in tune with stuff that they're working on. Number one is just creating a folder structure that will work for you. And I found this folder structure from a former colleague of mine, and I have it as a template, which I'll give to Tim. And you keep everything in there, and it seems very over the top, but it actually helps a lot with my organization.
It is one of those things that helps you so you're not losing footage. You can find it, you can put it where you need it to, and even if you don't even have a lot of assets that you're dropping in, it still just keeps it nice and organized. And so I do that all the time.
And it helps with your workflow and stress levels.
Are you an organized person in general?
I try to be, but when I'm creating constantly, things just get messy. But I always make an effort to organize on the weekends when I can.
That's honesty.
Yeah.
So after you've organized, then what?
So for a lot of the content that I make for social media, in addition to YouTube, they're all different aspect ratios. Social media is forever changing. So I would recommend creating presets, sequences for the variety of different formats. So you have Instagram stories, vertical format, right? Which is actually a 9:16 reverse of the 16:9. And then there's also square formats, and I usually edit that in 1080x1080. So creating presets like that will make it easy for you and save you time in the long run rather than having to recreate that each time. So number 3 is creating templates with the new Essential Graphics panel, and I have lots of tutorials on this on my YouTube channel, but creating lower thirds that represent your brand and saving them as templates, so that way all you have to do is drag it from the panel, drop it in, and with the new responsive design features, you can type it in and it will auto resize, which is pretty awesome. So that way you don't have to go in and be like, oh, I need to make this rectangle bigger. And that can take up 5 minutes every time. And if you have 10 lower thirds or even just infographics popping up, that can take another 2 hours out of your editing workflow. So creating templates that represent your brand that you can easily just drag and drop is huge.
People ask me all the time, hey Tim, what do you guys use to edit your videos? And it's Premiere Pro, and it's After Effects, and it's an awesome editor named Julia.
All of the frustration that I have is all the money that I'm making is going off towards paying that loan right now. And so I'm really having no profits right now. It's just about the love of doing YouTube and then paying off my loan. That's my focus for the next 5 years.